Hello everyone, I am Devaranjani from Gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about an error shown in WhatsApp. That is, the download was unable to complete. Please try again later. So, in this error, we cannot download the medias or view status. This problem mainly occurs with older version phones. So, to fix this error, first go to WhatsApp, then Settings, then back up your data to your mobile device. Then uninstall WhatsApp because we have no other option. Then go to Google Play Store. Next, select Settings and turn off Auto Update. After that, we are going to download an older APK version of WhatsApp. Search for WhatsApp up to down. Download the APK from up to down since it is a safe website. You can find many versions. Choose any old version. Install WhatsApp and now see whether your media is being downloaded or not. As you can see, the error is fixed. If you want to know more details about technology related aspects, please check out our Gossip Funda blog. The link to the blog is given in the description box below. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe.